It is a usual day at the court of Raja Krishnadeva. An artist has come to show his paintings. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. King said, "That is a really beautiful painting. You are very talented. You will be given a bag of gold coins. We shall be very pleased if you can make more such paintings." Painter said, "Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to make paintings for you." Then painter left the Raja Krishnadevaraya's court. Tenali Raman said, "I don't think those paintings are good." King said, "Well, I think they are perfectly lovely." Tenali Raman said, "Look at the paintings. Where is the other side of those two men? You can only see their left side." King said, "What a ignorant fool you are. You have to imagine the beads that are not visible." Tenali Raman said, "I believe I can paint better than that." King said, "If you do, you will receive a bag of gold coins." Tenali Raman said, "Well, I could if I had a canvas and some paints." King said, "You may have the canvas and paints and a month's time. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good, I promise you a bag of gold coins." Tenali Raman said, "I accept the challenge. After a month, I will show you a better painting." The courtiers who are listening finger behind their hands. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint. Tenali glares angrily at them and walks out. One of the courtiers said he was really painted himself into a corner. He thinks he is smarter than everyone else. Another courtier said, "You have really catch him out this time. Your Highness, I don't like to see him get out of his one." King said, "I wouldn't be too certain of that. He really is very clever." A month passed by. The courtiers are eagerly to see Tenali's paintings. King said, "So what do we have next?" A courtier said, "Your Highness, today is the day Tenali Raman shows you his paintings." King said, "Then where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch." A courtier said, "Perhaps he is so busy with his masterpiece that he has lost all track of time." Another courtier said, Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. King said, "Well, we can't wait anymore. He has lost his bag of gold coins." A courtier, yes, it is only fair that if he can't make good his boats, he should pay a penalty. Another courtier said, "Ah, there he is. Look, he has bought a painting, but it is covered with a cloth." Tenali Raman comes in, following by two men holding a covered painting. The Raja lifted the cloth to find a blank canvas with a few curved strokes of black at the edge and a few wipes of green below it. Tenali Raman said, "Good afternoon, Your Highness. Look what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It is a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it." King said, "What is this? I don't see a horse." "This is insulting. You are trying to fool me. There is nothing on this canvas." Tenali Raman said, "Well, you said that we should use our imagination. The rest of the horse is just outside the canvas, grazing. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in the corner above the lashy grass." King said, "You have got the better of me. Ministers, give the bag of gold coins to Tenali Raman, the cleverest of all my ministers."